Stevie, did you invite a friend over? There's a capybara at my door again. It's like very first thing in the morning, too. Oh, you really want to come in, huh? You can come in, it's okay. I have to go. Please get up. What are we gonna do about your moose friend?
Nobody expected it, but this dog didn't just go outside, he came back with new friends.
Hey.
I wanna play.
Cool, you wanna go play?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all bring him back.
Regular dogs collect sticks. Professional dogs build alliances. This one just proved it.
Morning. Good morning.
When your dog becomes famous, your house isn't a house anymore, it's a wildlife visitor center. German Shepherd unlocked wildlife babysitter mode.
The heck? The hell? Nope.
Teddy, your friend's here.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Fox is just following him home. I hope they're planning to share the dog food.
That's fucking mental.
The puppy didn't find a lap. He found a whole cow.
Holy. Oh.
Ma! Ma, come outside! There's a moose! Or a buffalo or some shit there! Where the you going? Ma! Holy shit!
Empathy is not a uniquely human trait. The dog saw fear in the deer and answered it with kindness.
Jerry! Jerry! Come on! Get in.
Oh my God, my dog is stupid. He does not know he's standing on a baby deer.
Oh,
you're gonna scare him away, buddy. He smells your french fries, Arya.
He's to the grade 500 up here.
Curiosity is how animal friendships begin. They're introducing themselves without saying a single word. Did you know? Dogs can be incredibly protective when they sense a smaller animal feels vulnerable.
¡Órale, Shrek! ¡O nos va a agarrar el tráfico! ¡Corre! Caballo que más le trote, sí. Caballo que más le trote, no. Caballo que más le trote, le mando una burra.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever and ever.
Bro brought the puppy home and immediately forgot to explain the next step. Trust slowly wins over fear.
Trick or treat. Nevertheless. Job is to brought it damn straight, huh? Well, your brother. He done brought his friend, child. What? Why the dog think I'm his mama, too?
When Dog's aura was so friendly, even the seal had to come say hi. Donkey's current job title, full-time cuddle platform. This is less a farm and more a puppy daycare center now.
鬼鬼祟祟的干啥呢？请进吧。我得说词儿是吧？欢迎光临，里边请。研究门呐，这门和之前不一样啊，狗咬烂的。您请进吧。
The goat brought the energy. The puppy brought the encouragement. Chaos is always worse when there's teamwork involved. Seal downloaded the dog dating app and got a match belike.
Out! This way! Out the door! 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 Come on! Out the door!
See? Look at that action.
Bitter, Dabul, Basit.
Pup's friendship standards is simple. If you're nice, you're invited. The donkey passed the vibe.
Ta Dabul.
And just like that, one walk outside turned into a lifelong friendship. Thanks!